Again, good afternoon. This is Neil, Simpler Futures, Simpler Trading, and today is Wednesday, hopefully a midweek shuffle low Wednesday, as the low for the week just came in today on Wednesday. And we had Tesla and Netflix today. We got Powell tomorrow, so certainly could see some more volatility. But really, moreover, if you look, this is a daily chart. Really, we're trading in this overlapping kind of a range here. At the lower edge of it today, but like I said, today was Wednesday midweek. We'll see midweek low, and I'm long and I'm bullish, and so ideally I'm looking to find a low in here that comes back up and readdresses the top of this range and kind of starts to trade out of here to the upside. So what we know about this range is that your over under kind of line in the sand right there is right about 4,400, and that would be the most immediate kind of back to balance, if you will, bullish target for tomorrow, which would be that would be 50 points, right? So that'd be a nice initial kind of a target. Let's go back over here and look on the volume. We see that there's balance up there at 4,400/01 really, but and it drug balance today in today's session down here to 4370. I don't think you want to see it much below where it was today, honestly. I'll put an absolute must hold just below here at about 4317. You could really start to get a little nervous right at 4320, but basically 4317 is just got a hole below there. It gets slippery when wet, and it could be a not pretty to the downside. So nice bounce off of the close today. Off the low into the close today, and we'll see what it does tonight, and then Powell tomorrow. I cannot allow it below that level I've just given you at about 17 down here on the bottom. And absent that, what I am looking for is this was the low for the week that trades now higher into the expiration toward the end of the week. Trades back into 4,400. We go out at max pain on the week is 4,400. And, from there we'll see. Above there, the drill. Above there, it tries to get through, coincidentally, really, it's about 17 on the top up here, which takes it slip through the high here that you see from yesterday into the high of last week, which was 31.32, into the gap, which is 46, and then up to this main kind of next target up here at 64. So basically, most immediately, just back to balance at 4,400, kind of settle out the week. If bullish, then it'll let us know as it starts to trade north of there, kind of getting through at about 16 right here on the top. Gets through there, and it starts to look really good really fast. Then you're looking, the numbers again are about 31, 46, and 64 on the top up there. And all that just basically says, look, you just got to hold about 43.17 down here on the bottom is the way I'm looking at it, I guess. With all roads lead to 4,400 here on point of control balance until they don't, but right now it looks like that's balance, and that's where everything kind of leads to right now. So that's my plan. That's what I got. Hopefully it helps, and maybe find some trades with that tomorrow. These are all ES futures levels, by the way. These are not SPX. SPX is lower by, 30 points, I think. And so you have to do adjustment if you're in SPX spreads based on these levels that I'm giving you. But that's what I got. So wish you good trading, and be with you again here, I think, tomorrow night for another update. Take care.
Without simpler trading, I could not have financial independence.
This is one of the best investments I ever made in my life.
It's helping me find consistency.
It's one of the things that won me